Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials, your email address and password so you don't stall. Once done, make sure your device has a stable internet connection, whether wired, Wi-Fi, or mobile data, because Outlook needs online access to sync. Next, choose the client you'll use, the desktop Outlook app, Outlook on the web, or the mobile app, and open it. Doing that now gets you to the login screen quickly, which is where we'll enter credentials and set basics. Once you're at the login screen, type your full email and password. Use single sign-on if your organization provides it, because it streamlines access and policies. After authentication, pick the account type Work or School Exchange/Office 365 versus Personal Outlook. Since each configures server settings automatically. Then set basic sync options, mail, calendar, contacts, and notifications, so you get critical items. To finish, confirm your inbox has synced by sending a quick test email to yourself and checking the calendar for entries. Make sure notifications, sync frequency, and your signature are set the way you prefer so Outlook behaves predictably. If something goes wrong, first restart the app and device, then recheck your password and account type. Clear the app cache or re-add the account if sync still fails. These steps resolve most issues and get you back to reading and sending mail quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.